Hey guys, are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars every month on separate AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Runway ML, Leonardo AI, DALI, ElevenLabs, Canva AI, Cloud 3, Gemini, Copilot, Hugging Face, ElevenLabs, LLAMA, MidJourney, Agent GPT, Jasper, Stable Diffusion, and more? Sick of managing multiple subscriptions, switching between dashboards, and consistently burning your wallet just to keep up with the latest AI tech? Well, this video is for you because I found a game-changing AI tools that's redefining how we use AI in 2025 and beyond. This isn't your average bundle with 10 or 50 tools. This gives you access to over 350 plus powerful AI tools all in one single dashboard. And the best part, no more monthly fees. You pay once and use it for a lifetime. So stick around. I'm going to give you a full review and demo of this incredible AI platform that's making waves in the industry. So hey guys, my name is Prathamesh and welcome back to my YouTube channel Deep Insight Review. And today I'm reviewing a revolutionary product called EveryAI. So let's jump right into it. So what is EveryAI? EveryAI has 350 plus AI tools in one single dashboard with its premium subscription plan. And the best part, it's lifetime free without paying any monthly fee, just $16 on one time price and you are in. So with this app you can generate website, create funnel, make motion videos, create 4K images, write sales copy, generate articles, make viral videos, turn text into videos, add voiceovers, create chatbots, transcribe any video into text, translate any text into any languages, create e-com store, generate talking avatars, build AI influencer, record tutorial and presentation videos. Basically anything you want to do, you can do it easy. So now let's dive into the demo and see how this tool works so you get the perfect knowledge. Let's dive in. So here is the dashboard. Just log in with your credential. So click on the AI model menu right here. You can see all the different AI tools. These are the top tier AI tools available in the market. You can search for any AI model using the search bar or even use voice command just like Siri. Now, as an example, I'm going to create a AI influencer. You can either AI input a keyword or speak a command and every AI will unlock the right model for you. I'm clicking on the AI influencer tool and here you can see the dedicated dashboard for it. Now, let's try another AI tool. I said just I want to clone my voice and boom, here you can see several AI options. Text to speech powered by OpenAI, Ozara and JCP instant voice cloning, voice generation from Stable Diffusion, ElevenLabs audio mix, other text to speech tools. Let's go ahead and try voice cloning now. Alright, move on. Let's try another prompt. I said I want to create website and look, it's instantly ready. Let's search for chatbot now. And here you can look. So, whether you want to build an e-com store, a sales funnel, generate images, or anything else, these AI tools give you the perfect solution. Just type or speak or prompt, and the AI does the rest for you, fast and easy. See how simple that was. You can literally do with whatever you want with just a few clicks or voice commands. Now, let's move on the pricing and the mega bonus you get with every AI. So you can grab this powerful AI platform for our lifetime limited time only. Normally, it costs $297 per month, but during the launch period, you can get lifetime access for just a one-time payment of $16. No monthly fees ever. But wait, it's get even better. As part of the mid-year special offer, you all get an extra 30% off, which means you can grab it today for only $11.87. Hurry, this deal won't last long. And when you buy through my special link, you also receive a 43,000 bonus bundle